Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to upload high-quality photos and videos on Facebook without losing any quality. First, open up your Facebook app and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then go to Profile Settings. Next, scroll down until you see Media and Contacts. Tap on it and you'll see several options. However, there's no direct option to upload in HD quality here. So here's what we're going to do. Download and install Facebook Lite. Once you have Facebook Lite installed, open it up and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Media and Contacts section, you'll see an option for photo quality. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to choose the resolution. Set it to high and you're done. This way, you can upload high-quality photos and videos to Facebook without any loss in quality. And that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.